Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaipavadi. Friends, today we are going to discuss the heterocyclic chemistry part first. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the introductory part and aromatic character of 5-membered and 6-membered heterocyclic compound. Let's see one by one. Number first is the introductory part of heterocyclic compound. What is meant by heterocyclic compound? It is heterocyclic compounds are the cyclic compounds containing carbon and at least one heteroatom such as nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur in the ring system is called as heterocyclic compound. Means in cyclic compound there is a replacement of at least one carbon by heteroatom either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. The different heteroatoms present in the heterocyclic compounds. Basically, the heterocyclic compounds are the important class of organic compounds because many natural products, drugs, dyes, etc. contains the heterocyclic rings. Okay, the heterocyclic compounds are classified on the basis of number of rings, ring size, and number of heteroatom and type of heteroatom. Okay, it is basically the classification of heterocyclic compound depends on the four factors. Number one is the number of ring present in the this particular heterocyclic compound, and ring size, either this size of ring is a 5-membered ring, 6-membered ring, 4-membered ring or 3-membered ring. And number of heteroatoms means number of heteroatoms is a one heteroatom present in the particular ring or two heteroatom or more than two heteroatoms present in the particular ring. And the type of heteroatom means basically there is a three types of heteroatom: nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. Means the basic classification of heterocyclic compounds are based on number of ring size, the number of heteroatoms and type of heteroatoms. See, these are the some representative examples of heterocyclic compound. Number first is a pyrrole, is a 5-membered heterocycle with heteroatom nitrogen. Number second is a furan molecule, is a heteroatom oxygen. Same thiophene molecule, same 5-membered heterocyclic compound with heteroatom sulfur. These are the pyridine molecule, is a 6-membered more stable heterocyclic compound. Then is a conjugated heterocyclic compound. Number first is indole, number second is a quinoline, and number third is a isoquinoline molecule. So basically the difference between this quinoline and isoquinoline is the position of heteroatom nitrogen. In case of quinoline molecule, the position of nitrogen at first position. In case of isoquinoline, there is a second position. These are the general introductory part of this heterocyclic compound. See, next one is a nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. What is the basic nomenclature system of this heterocyclic compound? See, in a heterocyclic compound, one of the atom is different than carbon atom. Means at least one carbon is replaced by heteroatom, either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. This atom is assigned position 1, first position, and further it is continued in the anti-clockwise direction. See the number first example, aziridine is a heteroatom, is a 3-membered heterocyclic compound. Heteroatom nitrogen is a first position, then second position, and anti-clockwise direction. These are the third position. Similarly, in case of number second, oxygen molecule, oxygen heteroatom with first number, then second position, and is a third position. See, it's a number third, thyrine molecule, just sulfur heteroatom, first position, then second position, and the last is the third. Similarly, for this 4-membered heterocyclic compound as well as this 5-membered heterocyclic compound, is a heteroatom has a first position, assign the position first to this heteroatom, and then second, third, fourth, and fifth accordingly in anti-clockwise direction. These are the general nomenclature of this heterocyclic compound. Number second rule, when substituents are present, they have been given lowest number moving around the ring. Sometimes Greek alphabets are also used to specify the position of substituents. Okay, see this heteroatom, it is a substituted heterocyclic compound. It is a nitrogen substituted by methyl group. This nitrogen heteroatom with first position, then second, third, fourth, and fifth position. Okay, see the name of this compound. It is 1-methyl pyrrole, is also called as N-methyl pyrrole molecule. Then in case of number second, the two substituents at second position as well as at fifth position, there is a 2-methyl group. Means see the simply 2,5-dimethyl furan molecule. In case of this pyridine molecule, at second position there is a one substituent amino group, NH2 group, means amino group. The name of this compound is a 2 pyridine. Okay, in case of this heterocyclic compound, sometimes the Greek alphabets are also used to specify the position of substituents. See the number first example, this pyrrole molecule. This position 2 and position 5 is called as alpha position. Position 3 and position 4 is called as beta position. Similarly, in case of this furan molecule, position 2 and position 5 is called as alpha position. Position 3 and position 4 is called as beta. Okay. In case of this pyridine molecule, is the number first, second position and sixth position is alpha position. Position number third and fifth is called as beta position, and the position 4 number is called as gamma position. These are the alphabets used in the nomenclature of the heterocyclic compound. Similarly, these are the substituted pyridine. Is a pyridine 2 carboxylic acid in common system is called as picolinic acid. And the number second is a beta carboxylic acid, means pyridine 3 carboxylic acid in common system is called as nicotinic acid. These are the general classification of this heterocyclic compound. Okay, the most common heterocycles, this five membered heterocycles, number first is pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Pyrrole with heteroatom nitrogen, furan with heteroatom oxygen, and thiophene with heteroatom sulfur. In case of pyridine, 6-membered heterocycle, it is a pyridine with heteroatom nitrogen, and these are the fused heterocyclic compound. See, aromaticity of pyrrole, furan and thiophene molecule. Basically, the 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole, furan as well as thiophene molecule, it shows aromatic character. What are the rules of aromaticity? Number first, the structure must be cyclic and planar. Number second rule, it has effective delocalization. And number third rule, it must obey the Haeckel's rule for aromaticity, the 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. See, in case of this 5-membered heterocycles, it shows aromatic character. See, the orbital structure of this 5-membered heterocycles, there is a 2 double bonds. It's a first double bond, second double bond, means there is a 4 pi electrons, and the 2 electron from this heteroatom. Okay, this X is equal to either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur. Is the electron pair of this heteroatom participate in delocalization, means the lone pair of electron present on the heteroatom is part of aromatic sextet, means it is participate in the delocalization. So the number of pi electrons is a 6 pi electron, means it obeys the Haeckel's rule for aromaticity, is a 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 finally into 1 plus 2 is equal to 6, means there is a 6 pi electrons. See, electron pair of this heteroatom participate in delocalization. See the number first example is a nitrogen. Nitrogen with 1 electron pair. The electron pair of this nitrogen participate in delocalization. It is a part of this aromatic sextet, and due to this delocalization, it shows aromatic character. These are the orbital structure of this simple pyrrole molecule. Okay, the first two rules, the structure must be cyclic and planar. The structure of this 5-membered heterocycle, pyrrole, furan and thiophene, it is a cyclic and planar. It has effective delocalization, means the arrangement of this double bond and single bond is alternate double bond and single bond. Also, it obeys the Haeckel's aromaticity, means it shows the aromatic character. Okay, and this aromatic character due to the electron pair of this heteroatom, participate in the delocalization. It is in case of only 5-membered heterocycles. See the number second example. In case of furan, there is a 2 electron pair. The 1 electron pair participate in delocalization. See, there is a complete aromatic sextet. 1 electron pair is participate in the aromatic sextet, and it shows aromatic. These are the mesomeric structure, resonating structures of this furan molecule, thiophene molecule, and last one is the pyrrole molecule. Okay, is the electron pair of, see, number important line is that electron pair of heteroatom is a participate in aromatic sextet, is a participate in delocalization, and due to this delocalization, it shows aromatic character. The important point in the aromaticity of these 5-membered heterocycles, pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Next one is the aromaticity of pyridine molecule. The pyridine molecule shows aromatic character. It is a derivative of benzene. only one of the carbon is replaced by heteroatom nitrogen. But in case of this pyridine molecule, the electron pair of this heteroatom nitrogen is not participate in the delocalization. It is not a part of this aromatic sextet, because see the orbital structure of this pyridine molecule, the position of this orbital is exactly perpendicular to the p pi orbital of this all 6 carbons. Means the electron pair of this nitrogen is not participate in delocalization. Similarly, similar to benzene molecule, the structure of pyridine is a cyclic and linear. Also, its effective delocalization. Also, it obeys the Haeckel's rule for aromaticity. Means there is a 3 pi bonds, means total 6 pi electrons. 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. N is equal to 1, means 4 into 1 plus 2, total 6 electron, and the 6 electron present in this pyridine molecule apart from this electron pair of this heteroatom nitrogen. So this pyridine molecule, it shows aromatic character. See the resonating structure of this pyridine molecule. Number first, nitrogen is electron withdrawing group, it withdraw electron. Nitrogen, it gains negative charge, then adjacent position with positive charge. There is a continuous delocalization, means position second, position 4, then position 6, it gains partial positive charge, that is a position 3 and 5 gains partial negative charge. Means the electron density of these two position is greater than position second, 4th and 6th. Okay, and these are the aromatic character, aromaticity of this pyridine molecule. Thank you very much.